Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I'm so glad to have you back in this sessions. And today I have something to share to you guys. Yeah, so recently I just heard about something happening in Indonesian military news that Indonesia is planning to have or to buy an aircraft. When I look it up, and wondered, at first I wonders, has the war start? Has the war starts? Yeah, a bit surprised because I see the news on Russia, Ukraine, about Israel, Gaza's wars, and Pakistan, India. Sometimes I tune off the noise. Sometimes I tune out of my point of basing and throw it away of my visions. But you know, guys, I'm sure the aircraft that Indonesia is planning to have is a huge one. I'm I'm sure it's a huge one. Okay, let me make this clear. Our Minister of War. Okay, maybe I'm wrong, guys. I don't know how to pronounce about Minister. Minister of War, Mr. Sharif Samsudin, signed the agreement to purchase an aircraft from Italy. Yeah, the Indonesia delegations went to Italy and saw the ship in persons. And honestly, the ship is really massive and huge. The interesting part is the aircraft is not new. Instead, a retired aircraft from Italy. And also Indonesia has approved for $150 million loan to have it or to buy it. Wow, that's a huge number, isn't it? So what did I when the first time I heard that numbers? Yeah, okay, guys. Okay, that's all my short story, guys. It was about Indonesia is planning to buy an aircraft, and I'm a bit surprised with that news, because everything just war and war when I tune into the buzzing on my phone, when I see the news on my social media was sometimes I'm pretty worried about it, and uh, I thought the yeah I and we wish the worst. We can avoid it, to be patient, or to be take in control our emotions, take in controls. Okay, guys, that's all my explanation about it. I hope and I wish you get insightful of my explanation as well. Okay, guys, see you back.